Hello everyone, welcome back to the UltFone channel. When updating your iPhone via iTunes, you might encounter a pop-up showing a 4014 or 4000 error. This can cause your device to get stuck on the reset screen, show the Apple logo, or enter recovery mode. But don't worry. In today's video, we will guide you on how to fix these errors and get your iPhone back to normal. Let's get started. Method 1. Force restart your iPhone. First, you can try a force restart, which is a relatively effective method. The steps are as follows: quickly press and release the volume up button, then press the volume down button, and finally hold the power button until the Apple logo appears. Wait for the iPhone to restart. If this method does not work, don't worry, you can try the next method. Method 2. Use Apple device to repair iPhone. If your initial attempt to force restart the iPhone was unsuccessful, you can use an Apple device to resolve the issue. First, connect the iPhone to a computer, then press and release the volume up button, press the volume down button, and finally hold down the power button until the recovery mode screen appears. Open the Apple device, and it will prompt you to update or restore the iPhone. If you want to update the system, choose Update. If you do not want to update the system, choose Restore. Here, we choose Restore and follow the prompts on the Apple device to download the firmware for system repair. However, errors or data loss may occur during this process, and the waiting time is long, so I recommend using a more efficient method. Method 3. Use UltFone iOS system repair to fix iPhone. If the problem persists, I recommend using UltFone iOS system repair for a standard repair. It is an iOS system repair software that can solve over 150 system issues without data loss. Common problems can also be fixed this way, and you can find the official UltFone download link below the video. First, connect your iPhone to the computer and enter recovery mode. Press and release the volume up button, then press the volume down button, and finally hold the power button until you enter recovery mode. Of course, you can also use UltFone's one-click recovery mode entry, so manual operation is not required. Then click the Start Repair button in UltFone. Choose Standard Repair, download the appropriate firmware, and wait patiently. After the download is complete, start the standard repair process. The software will automatically fix the device's system issues. It takes about 10 minutes. And after the repair is finished, your iPhone will return to normal without losing any data. Method 4. Contact Apple support. If none of this helps, it may be due to hardware damage. At this point, you have the option of contacting Apple support for a proper diagnosis. They can check if there is any missing hardware. Therefore, it is necessary to visit the Apple website to make an appointment for further help. If you find this video helpful, we kindly ask you to support us by liking and subscribing to our channel. If you have any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment below, and we will be very happy to assist you. See you in the next video.